I'll go back.
I think you can keep on.
I'll go back.
Perlok ling ba kene video ngi kwa ban pin fi ba menta ngi dan hapo Kuchi Tunnel bat kene ke Kuchi Tunnel ka dan hapo Ho Chi Minh City ka badan Hakari Vietnam.
Underneath. So the tunnel had 3 levels. You see the first level, second, third level. And the first level about 3 meters deep.
Uni ugai jongi ula batai makane ka tunnel ka dan ha kili lai benta lane 3 level. Kabamut ba ka jingjeliu jong kane ka tunnel ka first level ka dai lai meter deep kabamut ka jingjeliu ka balong lai meter.
And even you can see down to 10 meters no water. But this is the water well. Yeah, some out to the third level. Escape the tunnel by riverside. You can see open the door, dive into the water. The water just reaching here, not inside. Right?
You have to don't swim.
So living inside the tunnel, we need the air for breathing. You can see this is the air vents.
Thank you so much.
I will keep for you later. You can
No, that's okay. We'll come
back to the bus. This one they come up fresh, covered, and whenever you enter, you get to the tunnel, you straight your arm, knees down, you cover the right? Straight your arm, cover the entrance, yeah. And when you get out, straight your arm again, straight up. Yeah, that's what it's easy, right?
Kani ka Kuchi Tunnel kadai kata ka tunnel ka bapau nam tam ha ka perthei. Bat minta kani ka jaka kala long ka jaka jengok kai perthei ka baki briu bat kinong jengok kai perthei na keleng jong ki jaka na ki wei pat kiri ki wan ban jengok ya kani ka tunnel. Kei ka bapelong yangi bangin wan ya ka ban jengok ya kani ka tunnel. Lesi fila ban yu i thamula bangyarung ha kani ka tunnel henrei kani ka jaka latip ya ka kum kata ka jaka ka ba ki sipai Vietnamese ki penkre na ka benta ban ya khun ya ka jing la dut na ka sarkar French bat kumju na ka sarkar Pareng. Kat pangidang ya kani ka jaka kalong very interesting ban yu i ya kini ki krem ki balong kum ki tunnel ki balashna de ki sipai Vietnamese om de bikishna de ki machine henrei ki pendon kam tang da ki tiar bat kishna da ki kiti ka jinghe jo kani ka tunnel kalong kum ha paro jo kani ka jaka kalong kum ba ars pa meter bat hakleng jo kani ka jaka ki don ki jingriam lani kita ki jaka bagi trap na ka benta ban pen mensau ya ki sipai Pareng ha kapor bagi ya kun na ka benta ban yo ka jingla lut kumba fio i ya kani ka trap ka bala long ka wei na ki momento lani ki jaka ki basa jingkan mau ki ba ha kapor ba ki sipai Pareng ki ya be lani ki ya mare na ka benta ban kem ya ki sipai Vietnamese ki jungat hakini ki trap ki bala si da ki kenja ki banep bat haba ki hab hakini ki mensau bat kumta ki Vietnamese ki yo ban pedre kani ka tunnel ka bangi imenta kadai ka balasna kerpang da ki sipai Vietnamese hakapor ka ba kini ki sipai Pareng ki be ya ki lani ki kwa ban pedre ki jumare bat anda lapoi he kini ki jaka ki shim kini ki sla kumni bat ki rung ha kani ka tunnel bat anda latap ya kani ka jingtap pinnum yu isu bat pinnum lap den shu ba hangnu ki sipai Vietnamese ki dan la ya thuru yangi ba ki sipai Vietnamese ki long ki beret brio kumta lashna ya kini ki tunnel ru kat kum ka size ka jongki.
Cover that bushy. Yes. You see that one here? They come out, you know, like sometimes you lie down. Move like this one. And then you can see. So shooting here, right? This is the in here, right? But you see this soil here very solid, very hard. That reason we built a tunnel here. Yes.
Nang ta susyo guide ulay itu yangi bana katu ka tunnel ka bangirung mene ki judan ki linti ki ban poi pade syaki jaka ki balasna kerpang ki badan ya ka dobertha ka bae ka badan ya ka jaka bayada na ka benta abadan ka jing yasiat lan ka jing yakun bat ki sipai Pareng.
Let us all connected.
Sorry, ada dong orang dulu bumbu bahasa Nila.
You see, we walk above the tunnel system. Yes. And the tunnels are underneath. Yeah. This is you come out from here, move, shoot a fighting trench. Shooting trench. Yeah.
Yeah. French.
Well, the fighting trench.
Attacking
We
French.
fight straight to the river for escaping. This way, the main entrance to.
Ugai jungi ulaya turu baka kusi tunnel kadai kajaka kabalong kum kabrin na kabenta kisipai Vietnamese ban yakun ya kisipai pareng na kajeng lalud bat kajeng he jong kani kajaka kalong kumba arspa mitar.
This is the chimney.
Jimmy, no, air vent. Air.
Ini ibang yu imenta ide ita I erven lani ijaka iba penpoi yakal air siapo ki tunnel namar ngis ngutu bahapo tunnel kaduna ka oksigen.
You can see, you can live, we stay inside. We collect bomb shell and recycle.
This is tunnel.
This is the bunker.
Lani kajaka kadai kata kabongka lani kajaka kablapan kre kerpang bahang ni kidan kinong sna ya kitiar ki baper ki bai ki jupenon kam kum kitiar ki bandriam ya ki sipai pareng bat ki bagi juburi haki klau haki jaka ki baper ya kini kitiar pen mensau ki sipai Vietnamese ki julum na kini ki bomb shelf ki wanra kani kajaka bat ban snapat ya ki haki benta ki baharukam kenang bakin yo ban penon kam na ka benta ban yakun ya ki sipai pareng. Hadin beradab sna yakini kitiar penmensau ki baharukam ngin yu I kumnu ki sipai Vietnamese ki pendon kam yaki.
Sometimes we collect bomb shell from American side. We recycle to make the spike, and then they make different shape, different kind of trap. So this trap has different functions. So have different name like thickest trap, thickest trap. You can see how it's work for the first trap. 4 spark connect together. So the step falling down stuck, but the cover camouflage, right? The cover. You cannot see it, right?
In the forest.
Yeah. And this shape,
I've seen this in the
two ball look like a window.
but not in
The shape of the window is a kind of window trap, right? This one, yeah. And this is the folding chair trap. Oh, stuck brush in the middle, right? And this one, they got a fish trap. They put in the ground. So whenever you stand this side, other side, your foot slide. You get stuck right in the middle. You get a fish trap. And this one, they kind of seesaw trap or bottom trap. Right? This trap coming down. Even you use a hand against upper part, but the low one still work.
with some weight here, heavy weight.
But sometimes, we enter to the tunnel, and then we put the bomb underneath. Because sometimes you discover, you put out.
Kijaka ki bagi sipai Vietnamese ki penkelumar ki sipai pareng da ka bagi bu ya kijaka ki balong kum ki tunnel hendrei ladangi pelit pada ka jengtap ubadai penbanu bom. Perok kumbanga ongai pi bakane ka kuci tunnel kala dei ka weina kijaka ki bapaunam badaki pau hajar ngot ki torres ki wan hakasisngi. Tementa ngin rung ha ka real tunnel kabamut kata ka tunnel kabapenyes no nakaway ka tunnel siya kaway ka tunnel bad hang ni hapo tunnel kisna kum kakarem bad habangiyat bad ngirung siya po jokane ka tunnel ngan ong ipi kumba ngipen imene nakatu kamap kabaningkong kabadon kalong lai meter deep lani kajingjeliu kalong lai meter dekat bangi dangrung siya po nitu ipi bakadon kajingduna leer lani kajingduna oksigen kumta habangi rung hakani ka tunnel ngi sngutu shisha bagi don kijaka ke bang ngimla ring mensim jadi namar kata kadau ngi sngo ye ki perlok ni ki ba ong go back ka bamut ba ki kwa bani thaino namar ba kat bani dang rung ngi sngutu bakadon ka jingdung ye Yai sa begini video jongi perlok ngin pen I pi ya kajeng internet jong kani ka tunnel.
This is the tunnel here inside.
Finish. Finish or not? Are you okay? I'm feeling no. I'll go back. No, this way. Yes. Wow. How can you go back, bro? Can I continue? My battery is still alive. Nó có bộ bên đây.
Habadon kejeng mensau jong kesipai kijura hakane ke bongka ban sumariki. Nang ta perlong guide ya turu yagi baya kini ki tonel lasna balawat kamtam yagi tu kejaka ki balong do bertha kenang ba ka kendo kanom ha bat kalong skemtik kumbata simen.
It's still far, let's go back. Tengah ni, Mak. Lanjut.
No more space.
Em tu na. Apoy.
Kita nak kena same. Mana?
No better go back.
Kan bagi nang ngam segi benta ki basyapo jong kene ke tonel ban explode ke krem adon ki weipat ki perlok na ke weipat ke grup ki bala la bagi dan ki perlok tongki ki bam ring mensim bat ki lapan sngau ya kasur ka baong go back te hang ni na ka liang jongi ngila sngau artatin langin ya chakmat ningin phayang chadien ten rei da ka jingya penchlor lang para mangi ngila la ban pendap ya kane ka jingya denti bat ngila yo i pade bakane ka tonel kalapoi sya ka exit point ka bangila yo i ya ka jing syai bat ba ngila so kemen hadu kata-kata ba ngila la ban pendap ya kane ka journey ka jongi ban explore ya kane ka tonel ban ngiyo i shisha ya ka jing kraw ya ka jing treshitam ba di ya ka jing stan jong kishipai Vietnamese kumno ban shna ya kane ka tonel bakan long ka way na kijaka ka bakini kun banyo ya ka jing lai luot na kishipai pareng hadin bangilami shabar na kane ka kram guide ulay thu pada yangi bagi Vietnamese habaki shed hakani ki tonel lani hakini ki bonkers ki penmi ya katadam kaba naka kitchen jongki ibu ya upai buat penmi pada katadam syaki caka ki bajengai kenang ba ki sipai ki namlap dien ya katadam bakami nai perlok hadin manglayo ya kaban yu kejat hidaladi hakani ka kuci tonel kabadan hapo Ho Chi Minh City hapo Vietnam kala kring ya kijing mut kijing perkat kijonga bat kapen kan mau ya usim tirot sing o balaya kun ya kajing yele la luot na ka sarkar pareng ngangit bahadu menta kidang don kijing bu jing sat lada ni don shisha ya kibriu ki bashim kia ila ban pen pau nam ya ka kram tirot sing kum ka kushi tonel kabadan ha Vietnam